Hello everybody, welcome you to robotics. We are today in Treseptier in France, in Unista factory, and we are having open days. So let's see together what we prepared for you. Come on guys. Welcome. Okay, so let's see what we are having today. There is a map. I think we're gonna see some workshops. Come on. Okay, so we are in the Unista factory. We have several workshops running around. Of course, there's the normal factory, so you see our production. And we're gonna guide you through these workshops today. So probably we're gonna begin from Industry 4.0, which is the most important part of our business. Our production, our business is data-driven, and so the most important for us is to tell you how we organize our digital transformation.